If you think the eggs came from insects or spiders or birds, think again. Go back and listen to the clues and rethink your answer. If you think that the eggs came from reptiles, tell me what kind of reptiles they came from. And put the answer in the Google form. Now it's time to design our incubator. I wonder if mixing baking soda and vinegar would be a good set of chemicals to use. I know that they cause a chemical reaction when they're mixed together. Here's a glass that I put some vinegar in. I put in a thermometer and I put in some rubber bands to hold the thermometer up. Let's watch what happens to the temperature when I add baking soda. Does it go up? Does it stay the same? Does it go down? Is this reaction giving off heat? Do you think this would be a good set of chemicals to use in an incubator to keep something warm? Put your answer in the Google form. Maybe the incubator should include something like a hand warmer. You may have seen hand warmers. They're little pouches that people can get to keep their hands warm when the weather is cold outside. Let's watch this video where somebody demonstrates 3 different types of hand warmers using 3 different sets of chemicals. And let's watch what happens to the temperature when the hand warmers are activated and the chemicals are mixed together. The first type of hand warmer has little bits of iron and salt and water in a little pouch. The pouch has tiny holes in it so air can go in. When the iron is exposed to air, it starts to rust. The rusting process produces heat. Heat is given off as the iron reacts with oxygen. It does get warm, but it takes about 20 minutes for that to happen. The next type of hand warmer contains sodium acetate and a little metal disc. When you bend the disc, it's kind of like poking at the solution, and it starts to crystallize. As it crystallizes, it gives off heat. This happens right away. The third type of hand warmer contains magnesium sulfate. It also has a little glass vial of water, and when you press on the glass vial and break it open, the water reacts with the magnesium sulfate. It starts giving off heat. It happens right away. This one works pretty well. Magnesium sulfate costs about twice as much as the sodium acetate and the iron, so it's more expensive. Which of these would make the best set of chemicals for your incubator? Put your answer in the Google form. Now it's time for you to design your egg incubator. Make a drawing or a diagram that shows which chemicals you want to use. Then add some insulation to your drawing. You want the heat to be held in. Just like when humans go out on a cold day, we wear jackets and gloves and hats to keep our heat in. Those are insulating things. You need to add some insulation to your incubator so that the heat doesn't disappear right away. When you're done with your drawing, hold on to it, but don't share it with me yet. Submit your Google form and hold on to your drawing. We're going to continue with this project during the next science lab time. We need to add some more features to our egg incubators. During the next science lab time, I'll give you time to design features to help protect the egg For example, the egg needs to stay right side up and it needs to not get broken or bumped. So we'll work on those next time. So don't send me any drawings yet today, just send me the Google form. See you next time.